Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Riza Rukia, 27 years old. I'm single. I finished in Associate in Medical Dental Nursing Assistant in Negros State University.
Do you have kids?
No, sir.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two brothers and one sister. I am the second of the family.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience.
I serve in a couple with two kids, 2 years old and 4 years old, with older woman, 72 years old. And I do all the courses, cleaning, cooking, washing, and taking care of the kids.
Okay. So, in your previous employer, how many years did you work there?
4 years, sir.
Okay, 4 years straight, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you know how to taking care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will check the diaper. If it's wet, I will change it. If the baby will never stop, I will give the milk or I will sing a song.
Okay. Do you know how to taking a bath with the baby?
Yes, sir.
What do you need to prepare?
I will prepare the warm water, and then I will taking care of the ear and the eyes and the nose of the baby.
Okay. So, if ever the children or baby is naughty, what will you do?
I will encourage them to sing a song, or I will teach them the alphabet.
Do you,
Ma'am, sir.
do you know how to read a book stories?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Can you give me an example of book stories that you read for them?
The monkey and the turtle
Okay.
and the Rapunzel.
Okay. Do you have a long patience for them?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to come abroad?
To help my family and to support their financial.
Okay. Since you're a first timer and you can feel homesick, how can you avoid it?
I will I will tell myself that I will doing this for them to support them.
Okay. Do you have any allergy?
No, sir.
So do you eat everything right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
I'm not scared, but except the big dog, ma'am, sir.
Okay. If ever your employer wants you to do car washing without extra pay, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
What food can you cook?
I can cook the native Filipino food, sir.
Do you love cooking?
Yes, sir.
So if ever employer asks you to rate yourself in cooking, it's good or excellent?
Yes, sir. I will.
It is good or excellent?
Excellent.
Okay. So if ever the employer do you want to do holiday but they will pay you, it's okay for you?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Can you promise to cut your hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, ma'am, sir.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
I'm hoping to my future employer that please hire me as helper. I'm honest, helpful, and caring, and
Are you willing to do the work under pressure and you are very much willing to do all the instructions of your employer?
yes, ma'am, sir.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
See you, Hong Kong.